Is it wise ba na mag-invest ka maski na kay utang? The answer is, as much as possible, settle all your overdue and outstanding debts usa. What if nag-invest ka, tapos daghan kag utang, tapos naningil na, overdue naman ka, so kailangan mo siya bayaran. Kanya katong kwarta unta na imong gigamit pang bayad sa utang, imo mang gi-invest. Kung una lagi ka, mutubo ni. You have to understand na when it comes to investment, the value of your money can go up or down man good. Basig mo abot ang panahon na imong gibaligya ang imuhang investment ug palugi para lang makabayad ka sa utang. Nalugi hinung ka in two ways. Nalugi na ka tungod kay nakigibayaran na utang, nalugi pa jud ka sa imong investment. So the right way to do it is this. Prioritize paying your debts first, then you invest some of the money. Pag once na impas na nimo tanan nimong utang, especially the overdue ones, then katong imuhang budget gibayad dito sa imuhang utang, mo imong gamiton pang invest na nimo.